Tappers, so today we are in Silang Cavite. We're going to look at this wonderful home. Wow, it's massive. So let's check it out inside. I'm really excited to see what's in store because today this property is right in front of the clubhouse. This is the clubhouse, and then right here in the middle we have the property, and I can feel the breeze already. It's 498 meters above sea level. We are at South Midland subdivision along Aguinaldo Highway. Right across there's a basketball court, a tennis court, and there's also a swimming pool.
Turnover will be unfurnished. The place can be renovated based on needs and negotiation. I love how the property catches sunlight. The high ceiling does help to make the place feel bigger as it already is.
So right now we're inside the room. There's two floors. The first floor is like a carbon copy of the second floor. The second floor, it functions well without the first floor actually, and you can lock it up and make it your own separate unit. So the first floor and second floor, you can also consolidate it based on your purpose. There's a lot of flexibility that you can use this home for. So right now we're at the outdoor part of the place. It's a separate area from the actual home, and it's like a glass house. I think the idea of the owners here was kind of like a spa. Then there's a bubble bath over here. It's overlooking the outside. So it feels like a glass house. So the size of this place, it actually feels like a condo unit already. And they have a sauna here and a shower. If you're a fan of Tagaytay, this is really close to Tagaytay already. If you're familiar of Hacienda Outlets, Gourmet Farm, it's along that road. There are a lot of developments here in Aguinaldo Highway. It's very spacious. It's a really nice route when you're going to Tagaytay, and it's accessible to the city as well. Thank you for watching Tap Realty PH. If you really like this video and want to see more amazing properties around the area and far beyond Metro Manila, like and subscribe to the Tap Realty PH page. See you all soon. Bye!
Oh.